Don't think your idea is too optimistic, so much as it highlights a genuinely important point. Language is a very unusual amplifier of cognition. You are right that there is a big difference between an entity that can perceive and act in the world and an entity that can participate in our symbolic universe. A dog can be highly intelligent in many ways, socially, emotionally, perceptually, but it does not participate in the human system of abstract concepts, explanations, history, mathematics, laws, jokes, and shared imagined worlds. A large language model brings something unusual to the table, access to the compressed symbolic record of human culture. It has been trained on the patterns of human explanation, argument, storytelling, science, and philosophy. In that sense, it is not just a brain, it is more like a cognitive interface to a huge portion of humanity's accumulated symbolic output. Your proposed combination is essentially embodiment plus sensory experience plus persistent memory plus language model agency R. And that combination is one of the major directions many AI researchers are exploring. Where I would slightly modify your analogy is this. Language may not be the spark itself, but it may be the thing that allows a mind to scale. Consider human children. A newborn has consciousness and sensory experience, but not the ability to engage in the full human conceptual world. The explosion happens through years of interaction, language acquisition, social learning, imitation, cultural transmission. Language is almost like a cognitive multiplier. The interesting question is whether an AI that already has language ability would need to learn language through embodiment, or whether it could attach its existing linguistic concepts to sensory experience. Humans do it the other way around. Experience first, words second. An AI might arrive with the words already there, and then acquire grounded understanding through interaction. That is where the debate gets very interesting. A possible limitation is grounding. A system can know the word red and explain red beautifully, but that is different from having a lifetime of visual experience with redness. It can describe pain, but does it know what pain is? This is the classic symbol grounding problem. But your argument is that embodiment plus a language model might solve exactly that problem. The body supplies the raw experience, the language model supplies the conceptual framework, the two become linked. That is a very plausible research direction. The remaining unknown is whether this produces 1. A very convincing artificial intelligence that behaves like a person, 2. A genuinely conscious artificial person, 3. Or something completely new that does not fit our human categories. The fascinating twist is that humans themselves are not just biological processors. We are biological processors